Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Waridul Anwar. Today, I will present to you about my PBL. The title is PLC Model Workbench. Okay, this is my This is my team. I'm here, Waridul Anwar. My job is mechanical, and then Rizky Pratama. Uh, him job is electrical. And then Muhammad Iqbal as electrical, Jeffrey Rinaldi as mechanical, and Roberto as mechanical. Okay, project background. PLC are needed because in industrial production process increasingly demand automated, accurate, and reliable control system. However, PLC learning is still hampered by limited practical media and lack of real tool that represent industrial condition. Therefore, a PLC trainer kit is needed so student can understand programming, wiring, and testing of control system directly and practically. The component used for learning consists of push button relay, 24 volt power supply, limit switches, a DB25 PLC adapter interface, a PLC I/O connector, and indicator lamps. Okay, this is my timeline. Okay, mechanical process. The first is design box PLC, which function is protect PLC. Next is the PCB mounting base, which is used to place the PCB. Then there is a DRG03, which is used to attach the PCB mounting base to the trainer kit. And finally, there is the PLC adapter interface assembly. Okay, next, in the electrical stage, there are three layouts: the PLC adapter interface, the PLC input connector, and the PLC output connector, all with the same function of connection the PLC to hardware such as limit switches, relays, and indicator lights. All right, this is flowchart. The project begins with distribution of team job responsibilities, followed by literature study and budget planning as the basis for project development. The process is then divided into two main stages: mechanical design and electrical designs. In the mechanical stage, the team develops the mechanical design, followed by 3D design of the PCB holder for the PLC adapter interface. The design is evaluated and revised if necessary. On approved, the process continues with the 3D design of the PLC box, which is also reviewed and revised until finalized. The approved design is then manufactured through 3D printing and laser cutting. In the electrical stage, the team performed the electrical design followed by the PCB design of the PLC adapter interface DB25. After evaluation and revision, the process continues with the PCB design of the input or output model for the PLC box, which is also reviewed, reviewed and revised until approved. The next step is PCB fabrication and electrical assembly. Finally, the mechanical and electrical component are integrated and under testing and evaluation. The project concludes with project documentation and report preparation, followed by the final benchmark and project completion. Okay, problem solving. In mechanical, the concern is the PCB mount design needs to be adjusted to the DRG03 bracket. Cause performing precision measurement before design. In electrical, concern is PCB routing and wiring layout is still limited. Cause optimizing PCB layout and I/O labeling. And this is our final timeline. First, group formation, role assignment, title selection, and initial presentation is done complete. And next, timeline and project plan development is done complete. Design of PLC connection board DB25 is done complete. Design of limit switch and cylinder system is done complete. Acrylic design for PLC trainer is done complete. Electrical design of PLC trainer and PLC connector is done complete. ATS benchmark is done complete. Revision of PLC box design, revision of PLC connection board DB25, finalization of DB25 and PLC input output design, finalization of PLC box design is done complete. Installation of support structure for the middle section of the PLC trainer is done complete. Acrylic laser cutting for indicator lamps and 3D printing of PLC connector board is done complete. Final report preparation and final benchmark is done complete yesterday. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.